Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I love grilled cheese and I love scrambled eggs. And I thought, what an interesting concept if we combine the two. So I made this grilled cheese scrambled eggs. They came out absolutely fabulous. You've got to try this, so let me walk you through it. Okay, I'm going to begin by making my scrambled eggs. So I'm going to crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Let's get cracking. Season them up with some salt and pepper. A little bit of garlic. Some milk just to add that fluffiness to them. Grab up my whisk, and a whisking we will go until they're well combined. Next up, I'm going to add a good knob of butter to a preheated pan, and I'm just going to kind of melt this down. Add my eggs in, and scramble until they're set. After 2 or 3 minutes, I'm going to kill the heat and they're ready to go. In a preheated pan, again over medium-high heat, I'm going to add in a good knob of butter and we're just going to melt this down. Put our bread in, a slice of cheese. Now I'm using sliced cheese, you can use shredded. Our scrambled eggs, the star of the show. Another slice of cheese on top, and of course our top layer of bread. And we're going to fry this until the cheese is melted and it's a nice golden brown. After it's a nice golden brown on one side, I'm going to give it a flip over. After about 4 minutes or so, everything is nicely browned, so I'm just going to remove it, put it on a plate, and we're going to cut into this and see what we're dealing with. This looks and smells so good. And there you have it, guys, our grilled cheese scrambled eggs. Incredibly delicious. So let's give this a taste test. I'm going to dip it in some ketchup and try it. Absolutely incredible. The creaminess of the cheese, the eggs, few spices, but just perfection. You're going to love this easy, fast breakfast. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool breakfast recipes galore. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.